Hello. In this video, I will demonstrate how to perform a simple t-test to compare independent sample means. I will use the birth weight dataset, which is available in the mass package in R. As you can see on the left panel, I have an R script that I will follow during this demonstration. Everything which is written in green are comments and will not be executed in the R console. And you will see the results on the right in the console. First, we need to load the mass package, which contains the birth weight dataset. And then we can load the data into a data frame that we will call birth weight. Let's load the mass package. As you can see on the right, the prompt is active again, which means the package is already loaded. Now I'm going to load the birth weight data. I'm going to use the function data and the name of the data frame. If you can see in the environment on the left lower panel, the data is already loaded and I have 189 observations for 10 variables. Now I'm going to assign this data to a data frame called birth weight. And let's take a quick look at the data. I'm going to use the view function followed by the name of my data frame. Here you can see the 10 variables and the 189 entries. We have also two columns for our test, the BWT column, which contains the birth weight of the newborns in grams, and a variable called smoke with two categories, 0 and 1, depending on the smoking status of the mother. We can see summary statistics of the birth weights. I'm going to use the function summary for the birth weight. And as you can see here, I have a mean weight of nearly 2,900 grams. And I can see also that there is a mix of mothers who smoke and did not smoke. I can do the summary statistics of this categorical variable called smoke. Here we have 115 mothers who do not smoke during pregnancy and 74 who did smoke during pregnancy. We can see the birth weights by smoking status using a box plot. I'm going to use the function box plot. First, the variable BWT and split by the smoke variable using the data frame birth weight. You can add a title for your plot and also the labels for the X and Y axis. As you can see, there is a slight difference in the median weight and the distribution of the weight of the newborns of mothers who did not smoke and those who did smoke. So I'm going to run a t-test for a difference between groups. I'm going to use the t-test function in R. As you can see here, the function t-test is followed by the name of the birth weight variable split by the categorical variable smoke using the birth weight dataset. The output shows that the mean birth weight of non-smokers is over 300 grams heavier than for smokers. And the p-value is very small. This indicates that this difference is statistically significant. Thanks for watching.